Hello, my name is Karina Finke and I will show you my last enhancement assignment for the CIT 336 class. Well, I had some problems last week with the enhancement, so I was not able to fix it, so not everything works visually, but I will show you the codes that I created and hopefully those codes would work when I will fix everything. But so far what I did I can show you. Well, that's, I don't know, I have to fix so then it's clickable, so then you can see this. But I have created the all those assignments that were for making images. And also here I had some problems, so when I was uploading some image it was showing me this error, but when I was just pressing back button it was creating here the image, and also in the local host here the images. I will refresh it adding here the image, and as well in the in the folder it was also adding, like I was trying to add different things, and it was also creating the thumbnail. So it's a bigger one, it's a smaller one. Well, I made some changes. We'll just show you my code because visually not gonna show a lot. So I created here so then it would be smaller. Hope that will work. That's the original size. I also fixed some problems here with display. That was the error last time. Just yeah, I was just spelling wrong. So first, I was creating here the thumbnail function to create thumbnails. Also in the functions was adding the build a thumbnail image, and also here create, well, that's, I was using this function to get products info. I guess it was somewhere here. Okay, I don't remember. Too many files. I created the case details here. I also created the new view page, the product list page, and added here the message, also to show me the product detail and the thumbnails. But I don't really know if everything works how it's supposed to. Well, here it works. So here I can't really say. It just adding here also, like if I will delete it, deleting it from here, and also will delete it from the database and also from the folder. It deleted the original, the thumbnail it saved. While I was validating this page to save time, and also I opened the product list. Can refresh. Yeah, I don't know why it doesn't show me and doesn't show anything here. I just opened it through the NetBeans, and I was validating here the the HTML, so there is no errors found. And I just want to check really quick if the code will show anything here. Nope, it's for some reason doesn't show me anything. Yeah, well, it needs a lot of improvements, but that's what I was able to do, because first I need to fix this to at least have something to submit this week. Well, thanks for watching, and waiting for your feedback for the last enhancement so I can fix this one and can see if it works. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good day. Goodbye.